Welcome back to Will It Weld. On today's episode, we're going to try doing some aluminum foil. This has been highly suggested in our comments that they want to see us weld with some aluminum foil. Now, obviously, this needs to be done with AC TIG. We're going to be using TIG, and it's going to need to be welded with aluminum. So we're going to hold that one to the end. But to start off the episode, we're going to do some steel wool. So the steel wool is also very light feeling, but it says it's stainless. It is slightly magnetic, so meaning that it's probably a lower grade of stainless, but it's also not super magnetic. So I guess we'll see. We'll try it on a piece of carbon steel. I'll clean the steel first, and then if it doesn't work on the carbon steel, maybe I'll grab a piece of stainless. But I have a feeling that it's probably just going to light on fire or something, or melt very weird. There's a reason why filler wire comes in a solid round rather than a furry thing. So let's get to it. All right. Let's try this puppy out. Okay, so first we're going to make sure that our gas is running and everything. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but try. Yeah, that's interesting. Maybe if I try to like.
I mean, it did light on fire like a knife.
No, I actually thought it was going to light up pretty good too.
It's not real steel wool, but like not kind of.
I mean, it is creating a puddle. It's not nice, but
I don't know if I got it to stick. Oh, yeah, yes I did.
What's your conclusion?
I mean, you can technically use it as a filler wire. It's probably the worst option I've ever had, but it worked. I mean, if you had more patience and time, you could probably squish this down till it becomes somewhat of a filler wire, and then it might work. So, in conclusion, I used it as filler wire. Would I choose it? No, but it worked. So, however you want to take it. Okay, let's do some aluminum foil now. I don't think I should be too worried about contaminated disc. All right, machine is set up for TIG Alume. I'm just going to use this tungsten. try folding this one more time. I want to pass me that hammer. Well, it's nice and contaminated now if it wasn't before. So we should also give it a wipe down with some acetone. So I'll try that. It doesn't take much acetone. Just give it a nice wipe down. I want to prevent contamination as much as possible. Obviously, not using a dirty hammer would have prevented that. Okay. Put that out of sight. Don't need a repeat.
Really?
There it is.
There we. Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
I'm not going to do that. Nice, sharp, purple tungsten. Try this out. Not bad. Like, I thought that aluminum was going to be way less pure than that. I mean, it clearly has a bunch of stuff in it that isn't nice for welding, and it has no deoxidizers or anything like that, but that's pretty good. That's awesome.
I think I grabbed like a 12 by 14 inch piece and then folded it.
What brand?
I don't know.
Whatever was in the cabinet at home.
So
I mean, it's not bad. Cool. I never would have guessed that. I never would have thought that. I thought it had like plastics or something within the tin foil. I never thought it was actually like aluminum foil. But it's not bad. Like I actually started kind of getting the hang of it. I feel like if I folded it one more time, it would actually probably like work as a filler wire almost. Unbelievable.
Like we might have some from that video again.
Well, our viewers can tell us if they want me to try it again, but switch it a little more with the press.
The press.
Yeah, we'll bend it a few more times. Try it out.
And put it in there for everyone.
Very much. Welcome back to Will It Cut? Nope.